This is our interpretation of the performance test of the CWDM 1530nm butterfly laser of Box Optronics Tech. The equipment needed is the CLD 1015 test equipment of Thorlabs, the power meter of PM100D, and the AQ6319 spectrograph of ANDO. First, install the 1530nm butterfly laser provided by Box Optronics Tech on the fixture of the test bench, and pay attention to the pin positioning direction. Connect the optical fiber connector and set the wavelength on the power meter. Next, turn on the TEC on the test equipment for temperature control, and then turn on the laser. Before setting the working current, please refer to the shipment test report provided by Box Optronics Tech. When the current is 10 mA, the power meter displays 1.442 mW. The current can be set manually. When the current is set to 40 mA, the corresponding value on the power meter is 10 mW. The working voltage of LD and the current value of monitoring PD can also be seen from the CLD 1015 test equipment of Thorlabs. At present, we can see that the laser of Box Optronics Tech is working steadily. Next, we will show the spectrum of 1530nm butterfly laser test. At present, it can be seen that Box Optronics Tech is testing a DFB single-frequency 1530nm plus or minus 2 wavelength laser. It fully conforms to the shipping standard of Box Optronics Tech.